Hi all, this is Shas from English Partner. In this video, I'm not going to teach you anything new, but I'm going to give you 3 simple tips that will help you improve your communicative English skills. So let's get started. Many of my students have called me personally and told me that they don't have a proper companion to whom they can talk to and improve their language. So I would suggest you to talk to yourself. Yes, that's my first tip. Talk to yourself. One thing I would suggest you to talk about is talk about your dreams. Talk about your dreams to yourself. This will not only improve your communicative English skills, but also helps you gain so much motivation in the morning hour. The second tip I would say is start thinking in English. Yes, we all have some random thoughts running in our minds every time. But we often tend to think these things in our mother tongue or the native language which you are so much used to. But I would suggest you to start thinking in English. This might be a bit difficult in the beginning, but trust the process. Once you develop the habit of thinking in English, that will definitely help you improve your communicative English skills. The third point is read. This might seem a bit cliche, but it works. When you start reading, you will come across so many new words which you don't know, so that you will start to search for its meaning, right? So you will start searching its meaning and you will start using them in your sentences, and that will definitely improve your communicative English skills. So I hope these 3 tips were really useful to you. Start practicing these 3 tips right now, not tomorrow, not the next week, because tomorrow never comes. Start it right now. Thank you.